If your manufacturing business operates in multiple countries, it's important that your technical materials are translated and localized for each target country. However, technical translation projects pose some unique challenges. This video will provide 3 tips for technical translation projects to help them run smoothly. Firstly, make sure you choose translators with strong technical knowledge. Manufacturing is highly specialized, and its written content can't usually be fully understood unless you already have some prior knowledge. For this reason, a translator with a background in translating a range of technical materials, ideally within your appropriate industry, would be an asset. Be aware you might struggle to find a translator with the exact technical background, but so long as you choose a strong, specialized translator with a range of technical experience, this generally isn't a problem. Secondly, use glossaries for terminology management. One way you can reduce the amount of questions a translator may have is to provide them with a glossary of terms specific to your industry, company, products, and services. When compiling your glossary, make sure to include any terminology where the exact wording is important. It's also a good idea to provide a list of untranslatable terminology, which should not be translated, such as product names, trademarked or copyrighted names, and company names. You may also want to provide a list of blacklisted terms which you don't want to be associated with your brand, that the translator must not use. And finally, make sure to provide your content in editable file formats. You'll always get asked for the editable working files rather than the uneditable versions that make up the final document. By providing the editable files, you'll be making life much easier for the translator, which will save you time and money. Can you think of any other tips for making technical translation projects run smoother? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we have a more detailed guide on this topic on our self-learning platform. Check it out using the link in the description.